Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it. And now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button, X icon right next to it. But if you'd like to remove all of them with only one click, just enter clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you would like to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, here you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed all browsing data. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.